Okay guys, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, come back with me Irazi on Muhammad Irazi Guides Already channel. In this video, I will make a tutorial on setting display design. If previously I gave a tutorial on the design of the notification display, then today I will give a tutorial on the display settings. The first thing we make the frame is the iPhone 11 Pro X. Then we adjust it with the design on the left. Well, then as well, our first step will be to create a status bar menu. Just copy it, then we fit in the middle. So if we have made a line under the status bar, then we will center it, and for the thickness we will add it to 3, and we also change the tip to round, and we change the color to gray. If we have just adjust it and add text, namely settings, and we enlarge the size to 25. Okay, after that, then we save above and we open the plugin, namely the Iconify plugin. Let's look for the icon back again. If you don't know, this is a plugin to find various kind of icon: home icon, setting icon, profile icon, and other. But here we will look for the back icon. Okay, if we have selection the icon, we just have to click import. Then we close the plugin and we remove the icon from the new frame and insert it into the iPhone frame. We delete the empty frame. Well, then we save this on the edge of the text setting and leave we enlarge. Okay, and adjust to the line and also the text setting. Nice. Okay, if we have just added, before adding like this, we first change the color of the frame to a little gray, and we add a rectangle. It does not have to be too long. Okay, we add a rectangle just like this. Does not have to be too long, and we change the color to white. Don't forget to add an effect, namely a drop shadow as well for the X and Y, which are 5, and the blur is 8. Okay, after that we add a line. Oh yeah, maybe the rectangle is too long. After that, okay, after that we add a line or use the L shortcut. Then we fit it in the middle. Now if we add the thickness to 1.5, and we change the color to gray or match the line above. Well, if you have, we copy the text here. Okay, wait a minute. After then we copy the text here and down here, and we change the name to security. Okay, if we have reduced the size to 20, and we adjust to the other, then we copy again and we change it to be like this. Okay, like this. Now for the thickness we reduce it to regular, and we also reduce the size to 15. Then we adjust it and the rectangle too. Okay, if it's like this, we will make the privacy section by first making a rectangle for the width to be the same as the one above. Yeah, we make the privacy section with rectangle. Okay, and if it's appropriate, we color it to white and add an effect we egg white. Then after that we copy this line. So if we have copied the text white, we copy the text, we will change it to privacy. Carry on. We're going to create a text that's right here. Okay, we copy it or just focus if we have changed the color that the size becomes. Sorry, uh, any wrong? Okay, after that we copy here. Just focus if we have changed the color and that the size becomes 15, and we push the box and we just adjust it. Okay, after that we copy the text again, we change the size to 10. The thickness also becomes regular. After that we copy the text and we paste it here. Well, then adjust. So if it's like this, well, make the rectangle part like the one on button and the off button. Okay, first we create and adjust in the middle some rectangle. Okay, fit okay like that. Then we remove the fill color and we add the outline, guys, for maybe 5 thickness. Okay, after that this is enough, and we add the outline for the 5 thickness, and we adjust to the color of the previous design. If you use orange, then use orange. If you use blue, you use blue, and other. We increase the radius to 15. Oh yes, maybe we can reduce the thickness to 3. Okay, well, if it is, we will add another first. For in the middle of these guys, we adjust the additional thickness to 3 and we match the color. Okay, we copy again, guys, and we select both of them to the qual middle the qual of the middle of the rectangle. Okay, like this, and we copy. Okay, we adjust the additional thickness to 3 and match the color. Okay, nice. Well, if it's like this, we add text. We enter the names of famous restaurant like Taco Bell. Okay, then we copy it down again and we change the name. Oh wait, we change the size to 20 and adjust in the middle. Then we copy it down again and we change the name to another restaurant, name like KFC. Then we copy it again and change the name again to another restaurant name. Okay, if it's here, we will make the button on and off using a rectangle. No ellipse, no. We using a rectangle. And then, okay, After then we just adjust the size. Okay, it is here. We'll make the button of button on and off using a rectangle, and then we just adjust the size. You can follow me, and I'll make the radius 100 and change the color to orange. Then maybe after this we will copy and change the color to white. Yes, then we minimize it so the circle is like this, and we minimize. Well, if we have, we will copy the button or the icon, copy it again. Yeah, with selection and copy, yes, like that. Then we add more text, copy. Oh wait, we copy again, and then we copy the text, above down. Yes guys, and we're going to copy the text that's in the design on the left. When we're done, we'll create a save button using the rectangle. Yes guys, as usual, for we equate the width with here. Well, if we have added the radius to 10 and we change the color to orange, don't forget the color is same. After that, add the save text and we add the thickness to semi bold. Okay, we change the color to orange. Yes, like this, and then we add some text, namely is save, and we add the thickness to semi bold. We increase the size to 30 and fit it in the middle of the rectangle. Sorry, we select both and we fit in the middle of staying like this. Now if we have, we will make the icon section that we will use again. Okay, like this. Then we change the radius. Don't forget change the radius of the top right corner and also the top left corner, like this. Yes, we change to 15 maybe. Additional radius to 15. Yes, and we delete the fill and then we add the outline. So for the thickness we give 3 more guys, then change the color to gray. Oh yeah, maybe for the fill just add it and we color it white. Well, if it's like this, so if it's like this, we just need to copy the icon here. We copy the icon from the previous design, or maybe you can search in plugin Iconify, and we fit in the middle. Nice. Oh sorry, we group and we fit in the middle. So if it's like this, the design is ready. Okay guys, maybe that's the first video from me, more or less. Sorry, if you have an opinion, you can write it in the comment column. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. See you next time.